Hi students, welcome to MR Chemistry classes. Students, I request to you, please watch my video from starting to ending, then only got the subject. Please watch my video and give your feedback. Thank you. Today, we are going to discuss about of rules. The rules which are used to explains the electronic configuration. What rules are used to explains the electronic configuration? You see, three rules are used to explains the electronic configuration. Aufbau rule, Pauli's rule and Hund's rule. Okay, first one we discuss, that is Aufbau rule. What's rule? Aufbau rule. The electrons are enter into different orbitals in increasing order of their energy levels. The Aufbau rule explains about the electrons are enter into different orbitals in increasing order of their energy levels. What is the meaning? The electrons are enter into lower energy of orbital first and higher energy of orbital next. That's all. See, first lower energy of orbital. Next, higher energy of orbital. Very simple. How to decide the lower energy and higher energy of orbitals? Already we discussed. The lower and higher energy of orbitals are decided by N plus L rule. So N plus L rule, you see once again. N is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number. The sum of principal and azimuthal quantum number is said to be N plus L values. The orbital which is having lower N plus L values, that orbital is said to be lower energy. The orbital which is having more N plus L values, that orbital is called higher energy. For suppose 2s orbital, 2p orbital and 3d orbital, if I will take like this, already explains L value for s orbital is 0, for p orbital L value for p orbital is 1, for d orbital is 2, for f orbital is 3, already explains the L values. You see the N value here, N is equal to 2. For s orbital, what is the L value? L value for s orbital is 0. So L is equal to 0. N plus L, that is 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. For 2p, N is equal to 2. L is equal, L value for p orbital, students, 1. So N plus L, you see 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. For 3d orbital, for 3d, this 3 is the N value. For d orbital, L value for d orbital is 2. So N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, N plus L, sum of N plus L, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. For 2s orbital, the sum of N plus L value is 2, for 2p, 3, for 3d, 5. Which orbital having lower N plus L value? The 2s orbital having lower N plus L value. That's why the electrons are enter into 2s orbital first. After the 2s orbital, the electrons are enter into which orbital among these three? After the 2, 3 is more. That's why the next electrons are enter into 2p. Later the electrons are enter into 3d. So 2s orbital having lower energy than 2p, 2p orbital having lower energy than 3d. This is n plus L rule, that is case 1. Case 2 also explain. If both orbitals are having same n plus L values, then how to decide the lower energy of orbitals are? The orbital which is having lower n value, that orbital is considered as a lower energy of orbital. For suppose 3s, 2p orbitals if you are taken, here n plus L value, n is equal to 3. For s orbital, L value is 0. 3 plus 0, that is equal to 3. For 2p orbital, n is equal to 2. L value is 1. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 3s, n plus L value is 3. For 2p, n plus L value is 3. So both orbitals are having same n plus L value. Then which orbital is considered as a lower energy? The orbital which is having lower n value. Among these two, which orbital having lower n value? So here 3, n value is 3, here n value is 2. So among these two, here n value is lower, 2 is the lower energy. So n value is low, so that's why these 2p orbital having lower energy, 3s orbital having more energy. That's why the electrons are entering into 2p orbital first and 3s orbital next. So these two rules are the n plus L values. Based on n plus L values, we are going to decide the lower energy and higher energy of orbitals. The orbital which is having lower n plus L value, that is having lower energy. If both orbitals are having same n plus L values, the orbital which is having lower n value, that orbital is considered as a lower energy. This is Aufbau rule.